This illustration 19-14 deals with using a card and plug connection not over 250 volts in accordance with NEC 440.22B2 exception 2. Now the NEC loop provides some important information. The disconnect where the receptacle and the cord attachment cap could be used as a disconnect, 440.13 and 440.14 exception 2. The card and plug requirements of 440.60, 440.63. Your card and plug supply links in 440.64. 120 volt cord, you could have up to 10 foot from the air conditioner to plug into a unit. The 208 through 240 though is only 6 foot. So this information is very important. And then notice the AC unit cannot pull more than 80% of the circuit in accordance with 440.62B of the code. Now, this illustration illustrates an air conditioner at 250 volts or less can be cord and plug connected with a soft start so it wouldn't trip your overcurrent protection device. And as long as you follow the rules of 440.22B exception 2 and those rules that you see in the NEC loop. And that's what this figure 19-14 is illustrating to the designer or the installer of such equipment.